welcome back to our channel and to another how-to tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to get 90s inspired matte nude lips just like this, and I'm going to use a few different liquid lipsticks and I'll show you as I go along. So if you want to learn how to get 90s inspired matte nude lips, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first step you want to do is line the lips. So today I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics. It's called True Brown K, and it really looks good with my skin tone and it's really nice and smooth. She's actually got a new line, like the vegan clean, which I haven't tried the new formulas, but I really like this. So as you can tell, there's not much left. I need to get some more. But you just want to line the lips and overline it slightly. I don't like it to look fake. You want it to look natural. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I've sort of got like, you can tell the little, it's a bit lighter. It's almost like a natural outline that I have. So I just kind of follow that. So like so, and you can make your Cupid's bow however you like. I like it to be pointy, kind of like Rihanna's. I like the pointy look, but I know a lot of people like it to be round as well. So I'll show you how I do it. So you just want to go a little bit over your natural lip line. And then just slightly under your bottom lip line. This will nicely outline the lips and make it look full. And I like to go over just to smooth it out. And I like to make it quite thick because we're going to blend it. You want to have a slight outline remaining. And to fill it in, I have a few options. So I have the Kylie Cosmetics, the True Brown, the matching one to that. It's called True Brown K. Don't know if you can see that. Or I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's called Lava. So they're both like a dark brown, which is really good for brown skin. It's quite dark, but as you can see, the Kylie is slightly darker than the Anastasia, so it depends how dark you want to go. This is more of a cool tone, the Kylie, and the Anastasia is a bit more of a warm tone. I'm going to use the Anastasia one today, and this is a matte colour and the brush looks like this. And you just want to colour that in. And I rub my lips to sort of blend it in. And having a good outline makes it easier when you put your liquid lip liner on. So usually I will have the matching lip liner and then the matching colour as like the base. And then what you want to do is create like an ombre effect. So I'll do like sort of like a shade lighter. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the colour is Weekender. And so you want to start off dark, dark, dark and go light, and that creates that pout, if you know what I mean. So that's what it looks like at the moment. And this is slightly lighter. And I'll go in the middle. Kind of just like that. And blend it. And I'll use my fingers to sort of blend it out. Like so. Okay, and back to creating that ombre effect. I have an even lighter shade. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Sand. And we're going to put that right in the middle. Just a little bit. And this actually makes it quite cool. So if you want a warmer shade, warmer look, you can probably choose more of a warmer nude. And then use your finger. And just blend. And then you can always go back and line. Sometimes it becomes too white in the middle lately. I don't know why, if it's just my lips or what. But you can go back and blend it until you think it looks good. So you've got the dark outline and then you create that ombre effect just to bring it in. And it makes you look like you have nice full lips. Okay, so this is the final look. And close up. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. So our new channel name, by the time this video is out, it should be Lifestyle by ATV, which is myself, Anne-Marie, Tracy and Viddy. So stay tuned and we'll be back for more videos.